Hello, and welcome to the launch of an exciting new technology that could change the vaping industry as we know it. My name is Jack Sanders, the co-founder of Aqueous Labs, and I am very proud to say that we are the first company to achieve substantial water content within vaping devices, maximizing the benefits of water-based vaping and making no sacrifices in performance. Our mission has always been simple. We want to create products and technologies that advance vaping while producing a better experience for consumers and maximizing harm reduction potential. When deciding how we could provide value and achieve our goals, we took a deeper look into the current state of the vaping market. Our initial market research provided clear answers. New vapors demand faster satisfaction, smoother vapor, and harm reduction. With this in mind, we started to explore how we could achieve these. Early testing gave us some promising results. We noticed increasing the water content produced a huge improvement to the smoothness of vapor, along with enhanced flavor clarity and faster satisfaction. With these initial results, it was clear that creating a true water-based vape would be a real benefit for current vapors and transitioning smokers. When increasing the water content, there were several barriers we had to overcome. High water content e-liquid with traditional coils produced problems such as leaking and coil flooding due to the low viscosity of the liquid. Also, traditional wicking structures led to dry hits from incomplete vaporization. So we invested heavily in R&D, experimenting with new wicking materials, structures, and coil designs that worked precisely with water-based e-liquid. After several iterations, we were able to produce a specialized wicking structure and coil design that was able to work flawlessly with e-liquids containing 30% water. From this, our first generation of water-based vaping technology was born, and it's called AQ30. This technology will be made available in a wide range of devices starting in Q2 2022. Now, our mission when creating this technology was to provide solutions, answering key needs from consumers. With AQ30, we have been able to achieve this and more. The key advantages of water-based vaping are purer flavors, smoother vapor, improved nicotine delivery, whilst improving the chemical stability and reducing dehydration. Now, there is no doubt that VG brings a sweet taste, which can mask original flavors. There are different opinions on PG's taste. Some say it's tasteless, while some researchers say it tastes slightly sweet and has a bit of a bitter taste. Nevertheless, water is tasteless. Therefore, adding water and reducing PG-VG produces purer flavors. Water-based vaping delivers a smooth and natural tasting experience that no other vaping technology can replicate. The reduction in PG decreases the throat irritation that people with intolerances like myself may experience. So we inhale water already. Water exists in the air, and it is easier to be absorbed by the human body. Therefore, with the water content of Aqueous, the liquid is more closely attuned to our bodies. So vapor produced by Aqueous devices has a higher bioavailability, meaning faster satisfaction when compared to traditional vaping devices. So the boiling point of 30% PG, 70% VG is 205 degrees Celsius. By adding 30% water, the boiling point is reduced to 120 degrees, resulting in a lower vaping temperature, which improves the chemical stability during the vaping process. So PG and VG are both hygroscopic, which means they absorb water from the skin. Glycerol is so thirsty for water that the amount absorbed water can be larger than the original volume of glycerol used. So reducing PG and VG content reduces these dehydrating qualities of vapor, resulting in a more pleasant experience for transitional smokers. Now, with all of these clear advantages, you may be asking yourself, Why is Aqueous Labs the first company to introduce a significant amount of water into vaping? And why hasn't such a simple concept been realized before? The truth is, others have tried before and failed. To make water-based vaping devices work flawlessly and consistently requires extreme precision in design and manufacturing. And no one has been able to achieve results like we have. For every change in the e-liquid, a change in the core technology is needed. To achieve 30% water content for AQ30 and begin developing future generations of water-based vaping technology in a cost-effective way, we knew a long-term strategy was required. To realize this goal, we needed a strong strategic partner. We needed a manufacturer with fully owned facilities and a long track record of innovation. One who embodied quality and innovation at a mass scale. For us, the natural choice was Innokin Technology. When we introduced Innokin to our technology, they were so impressed with the results that they quickly became our first major manufacturing partner and helped us address the final challenges of water-based vaping on a mass production scale. So to talk a little more about why they thought this partnership was also important to them, let me introduce George Xia, the co-founder of Innokin Technology.
Thank you, Jack. Hello, I'm George, the co-founder of Innokin. In 2011, I was inspired by the emerging technology of vaping and the potential to help reduce global tobacco consumption. So together with my partner, we created Innokin. When Aqueous Labs approached us with early visions of their water-based vaping technology, our products team was amazed. The smoothness of vapor, speed of nicotine delivery, and enhanced flavor production was too much to ignore. We quickly realized that water-based vaping will be the future of the vaping industry. So we wanted to be part of that. The relationship between us and Aqueous Labs is a nature fit. Like Aqueous Labs, we pride ourselves on continuously innovating to help consumers begin the vaping journey. We have a long history of scientific research and innovation development within the vaping industry. We have developed an excellent reputation with consumers and distribution networks. With Aqueous, we can use these channels to help promote further harm reduction in vaping and help even more people. With fully owned, large-scale manufacturing facilities, it means we have complete control of supply chain. This gives us capability to help Aqueous with the final adjustments, the technology for mass production. More than 10 years on, we are now an industry leader with an ever-evolving catalog of products sold in more than 80 countries globally. From our partnership with Aqueous, we're happy to announce our first line of water-based vaping devices are available. Here are some of amazing companies we are already working with. To tell us what the collaboration means to them, let's watch a short video.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Daryl Surf, and I'm the CEO of American Vape Company and Pastel Cartel, the creators of Escobar Vapes.
And my name is Maria Cruz, and I'm the COO.
As the #1 selling vape company in the USA, Pastel Cartel and Escobar brands are always looking to enhance our products with both innovative hardware and juice. Pastel Cartel works diligently with all the laws and regulations within the United States, other countries, or other regulating authorities, jurisdictions, and are excited anytime we can introduce new solutions that meet the most stringent guidelines ensuring safety and efficacy for all our consumers utilizing our products. Aqueous is a revolutionary new technology that enables water-based vaping utilizing 30% water, which delivers a smoother, lighter, and more discreet vaping experience. We find this technology very valuable in supporting our quest to offer less harmful solutions to traditional tobacco.
That's right, Daryl, and that's why we decided to partner with Accius. This is not unlike anything out there in the market, and we do have the exclusivity inside the United States. We currently have the H2O based Escobars on our 2500 puff. Our flavors are watermelon, grape, peach, blueberry, and strawberry. It really is as close as it can get to tasting the actual fruit. We also have the H2O technology on our 6000 puffs. This is our brand new device. They are rechargeable, and we have them in 5 flavors: vanilla custard, strawberry milkshake, green apple, blueberry bubblegum, and my personal favorite, mango lassi. If you're interested in our products and learning a little bit more about the benefits of them, please follow the links below, acciuslabs.com and or pastel_cartel.com.
Thank you, George, and our partners. The initial release of Accius technology has already produced fantastic results, and we saw significant recognition at the vaping industry at the prestigious VaporRound Awards 2022. Currently, our partners in the US and UK are establishing strong market presence, but we look forward to taking on new partners to bring water-based vaping to other brands and markets. We strongly believe that water-based vaping will become a new industry standard within vaping. When consumers experience the advantages of water-based vaping, returning to traditional devices will simply be less attractive. Our R&D team is hard at work, producing further advancements in the technology, which will allow for increased water content and further performance gains in the future. By partnering with Accius Labs, you not only gain access to true water-based vaping technologies, but also rigorous product development, high manufacturing standards, and established global marketing channels. Here is a snapshot of the current Accius Labs portfolio. Thank you to everyone who has joined us today to learn about the future of the global vaping industry and our exciting new technology. We can't wait to share more information with you as we continue to develop our technology. If you'd like to get in touch with us, you can contact us at info@acciuslabs.com or follow us on our social medias. Thank you again, and see you all soon.